Student data, such as assignments submitted and grades earned, will not transfer from Blackboard to Canvas. You will need to save this information on your computer if you want to refer back to it in future years. It's a good idea to get into this habit anyway because courses are deleted every 2 years, both in Blackboard and in Canvas. The first thing is to save the gradebook to keep a record of what the students earned on which assignments. So to do that, you're going to go to the Full Grade Center down here under Course Management, then click Work Offline, and then Download. Just go ahead and leave all of the settings at their default and click Submit. Once you do that, you can click Download and it will prompt you to save the file. You'll notice that it is a .xls file here. That means it's an Excel file, so you can save that on your computer. If you need to store the actual paper assignments that students submitted, you can go to the Grade Center and you're going to scroll until you find your assignment that you want to download. I should say up front that this process will not preserve your instructor comments to the students, unfortunately. Go to the top of the column and click the down arrow next to the title of the assignment. Then click Assignment File Download. It only shows 25 students at a time, and you need all of them. So you need to scroll to the bottom and click Show All. This puts all of the student names on the same page. Then you click the box next to the word Name here at the top, and that selects all of the students. Then click Submit. Now, very importantly, don't skip this next step. There's a link here that says Download Assignments. Now, it does not look like a link because it's just normal text. But if you hover your mouse over it, you'll see it changes the cursor. You have to click that link and then you'll get the option to download the zip file. So that's assignments. You will need to repeat this process for every paper assignment you want to save. Thankfully, you do not have to download individual student papers one at a time, but you will need to do it assignment by assignment. Now let's look at discussions. You'll go to the actual discussion board in the course, wherever it's located, and click the forum. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you see it's only displaying 1 to 25 out of 56. You need these all to show on the same page. So click Edit Paging, and you could type the exact number or you could just make it some bigger number like 100 or whatever, and then click Go. And that brings all of the discussion threads onto the same page. So you scroll to the top and click this top checkbox here next to the flag to select everything, and then click Collect. What Collect does, it puts all of the discussion posts onto a single page with the full text, the author names, and dates and times of posting. So then you just click Print Preview, and that does two things. One, it brings it into a PDF document in a new window, and two, it opens the print page. If you have a Mac, you can click the Save as a PDF file at this point, and if you have a PC, you should be able to export this page to a file on your computer. So then you have the file. It might be a little bit tricky to look up student names later, but at least you have the record if you need it. Again, you'll have to do the same process for each discussion forum you wish to preserve. Full typed instructions for this video can be found at links.asu.edu/bbprep.